The Jupiter 2 reactive ion etcher, tool ID DE-08, is located in Bay 2 of the Quattro Nanofabrication Facility in the Singh Center for Nanotechnology at the University of Pennsylvania. This tool is used for oxygen etching, and you can load etch pieces and wafers up to 6 inches in diameter. To use the tool, first log in on the Iris scheduler. When you're ready to use this tool, open the lid, load your sample in the chamber, and close the lid. The chamber will automatically be pumped down later. Next, we must set parameters. Make sure that this switch above the tool ID label is switched to auto. Also, mode select should be flipped to auto, and the EP select should be switched to time. On the left side of the tool, we will set up the power level. Do this by rotating the knob while pressing the set point button, as shown. You will see the power setting displayed here. After setting up the power, we will set up the gas flow using the right side of the tool. This right top knob is a selector switch. It has many settings, but S3 through R4 are deactivated. R1 and R2 are readings for oxygen and airflow. S1 and S2 are settings, and PR is for pressure. It only selects what to display on the screen and will not change the values on its own. To adjust oxygen gas flow, first turn the selector switch to S1 and turn this switch to 1. Use the flow control knob here to adjust the gas flow. The gas flow setting is shown on this display. The flow range setting for each gas is from 0 to 500, and actual flow rate in SCCM can be determined by applying the max flow range noted on the top of the system. For example, for oxygen, a setting of 500 would equal 100 SCCM. A setting of 250 would be 50 SCCM. Setting up air gas flow is similar. Turn the selector switch to S2, this switch to 2, and adjust using this flow control knob. After the gas flow is set up, set the timer in the bottom right corner. The rightmost digit is in units of seconds. To start the process, press down on the lid manually and press the start button at the same time. Here, the top right knob is turned to the pressure reading. The pressure reading must fall below 20 before gas flow will start. If it does not fall below 20, abort the process and verify that the O-ring and mating surface are clean and try again. If this does not work, contact staff for help. As the pressure drops, watch for this interlock light to shut off. As soon as it does, press this RF enable button. Notice the timer is now running. Also, once gas flow starts, pressure must stabilize to a pressure reading over 20 or the plasma will not light. If this happens, it is likely an indication that your gas flow is too low and needs to be increased. If increasing gas flow does not work, contact staff for help. From here, the chamber will be vented automatically. Unload your sample when the process is complete, and finally log out of the Iris scheduler. This concludes the training video for the Jupiter 2. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact QNF staff. Thanks for watching.